Thutha wa kuvingwa kwa kavinda ka miaka 2 kuumana na mututho kwa murimo wa COVID-19, mithako thiini wa thukuru cia muthingi na sekondari ni cokererie. Thiini wa college ya arimũ ya Kigari nikuo arutwa a thukuru cia sekondari gitarũri kia irathĩro ria bũrũri macemanĩtie macindano ma mathenya. Wanathengia gukora mithako ivingitwo kwa ivinda iraya, arutwo aya nimandikithĩtie maumĩrĩra mega maria makamavotithia kung'ethanĩra na aruna ao kuma itarũri ciingi bũrũri-inĩ.
Hiyo iko sawa. Shukuru Mungu kwa siku ya leo. Kwa kuniwezesha, niko tayari kuwakilisha Kenya at Tanzania.
Hali ya hewa huku na Makueni, hewa huku iko sawa. Huku climate iko sawa. Imenisaidia sana.
Kufungwa kwa michezo kwa sababu ya COVID kwa hiyo miaka miwili imeni affect. Juu hatukuwa tunaweza enda kukompiti mahali. Tulikuwa tu tunakaa kwa camp. Kazi yetu ilikuwa tu ni mazoezi peke yake. Hakuna competition.
Kumana na maumĩrĩra mega ma arutwa a kaunti cia Makueni na Kitui aria makoragwo magĩkĩra mevarĩria mao thĩinĩ wa kambi cia mithako, rĩu thirikari cia kaunti nĩ ciũrĩtwo gũkorwo igĩthondeka kambi ta icio nĩguo gũkĩrĩra taranda cia andũ ethĩ.
What is it that is so unique with the others that possibly we need to copy, that we need to borrow, we need to benchmark, we need to understand? It is therefore important for us to take that as a challenge and be able to work because we have the potential to do it.
Tutingihota gucindana twita makaunti ma Eastern tutai na camps. Cirego kaciari tuware dai wirutitwo camp imwe. Ona matinaigana tondu ni ingi muno. Kugo na moka mande no magatucinda. Tondu maturite makiharagiria mature matengekega magithiaga jeci atha. Kugo ni meharirie muno. It's a big challenge to county itabiririe camps.
Waugo arimũ nao nĩ maũrĩtwo gũkora makiga mĩtaratara ya mwanya nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra wa mũrutwo ũrĩa ũrĩ na taranda cia mĩthako no avewa kanya kau nĩguo magakora makĩguna mĩtũrĩre yao.
We want to appeal to you to think about every time that you are in school and you are out for games, you are out for PE. Let our teachers help the children identify the areas they want to participate in. If it is athletics, let them be given an opportunity to be able to practice from Monday to Monday, from Monday to Friday. That is the only way we can be able to tap into the talent so that when we come to the field, we do not talk about muscle pulls, we do not talk about stress, we do not talk about fatigue.
Muthenya wa rucio macindano ma kĩbũrũri ma thukuru cia muthingi magakora magĩtabanĩrwo kĩvaro wa gĩkĩ kũrĩa arutwo 320 magakora makinyita itemi mathako macio. Vandori Vainoro TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbeta kwa Peter Mungai.